Tilly Davies here. Welcome back to the members area video training series of justServiceHUB. This is where I show you how you can market your business on the justServiceHUB online marketing platform. Now today I'm going to show you how to submit a blog. Remember, a blog is a personal conversational piece. It differs from articles in that articles are tips and guidelines on specific business areas, business operation that you can provide for others. That is where you display your expertise in certain areas of what your business has to offer. Because a blog is personal and conversational, anybody can load a blog on the justServiceHUB website. It is not just for members, and for that reason there are two ways that you can submit a blog. You can either submit a blog from the members area, and once you've logged in you will see the members area menu on your right hand side, or you can submit a blog by going to the blog area on the website. Once you've clicked on the blog area of the website, the blog will open. Now the first thing that you see as the blog opens is the menu on your right hand side. What you must remember is you cannot publish a blog unless you are registered as a blog author. Now the reason for this is simply because non-members of the justServiceHUB website can also publish blogs. So if you go in and you click on register as a blog author, you will complete the form by filling in all these fields. What would be necessary is your company name, and it is important because the more visible you are on the justServiceHUB website and the more visible your business is, the better. You will add your position within the company and your name. That will give more exposure to your business on the website. Next, you will go and add your profile. Now, this is your own personal profile. This is not your company profile. This gets interesting in the sense that you are now starting to create a personality, a persona of your company. Some of my clients add 2 or 3 or even more of their employees as blog authors and post blogs on the website because it gives you more exposure on the online platform. So once you've completed the company and your position and your name, you will complete your profile here, and when we scroll down you can add an image of who you are, or if you've already been a member and your own personal pictures already been uploaded, you can select your image that you've uploaded in the blog author site. You can enter your email so that you are contactable if anybody wants to talk to you or discuss the articles that you load with you personally. You can add your website, which is important because you can then drive traffic back to your own website when people visit you or visit the blog post that you've just posted. And you can add the categories that you will be focusing on. There is a security set on the blog posts to prevent spam, and you can submit the item. What is important is that you understand that this will not be published straight away to prevent spam on the website. Just to give you an idea of what your profile will look like, this is typically what the blog author profiles will look like, and you can then see there is the email address and the website address. When we go back, once you're an author of the blog posts, in your members area you can now submit a blog. Submitting a blog is very similar to submitting an article with a few differences. The first step is you can upload your or determine when you would like this blog post to be published. Automatically it will take today's date, or you can select another date. Next, you will add your title of your page or your article. I'm going to use the same article we've used for article submission. So I'm going to copy the title into my page here. You can select a category of in which category you would like this blog post to be. Now I'm going to select process, but you can also select more than one category by holding down the control key. Put your cursor over the other category that you would like to publish this in and click on that category as well. If you made a mistake and you don't want this to be in processes, put your cursor over the highlighted process, hold down the control key and select it, and it will be gone. Within blogs we always have a subtitle. Now if I go back to my article, I'm going to highlight the words "but how," because I believe that would create a little bit more curiosity for my reader to want to read the article. So I will paste that in. I'll go back to my article, and now I'm going to highlight everything within my article that I would like to post as the content of my article. So I'm going to copy this and paste it into the text area, into the white block underneath all the options. Now here is where it gets different to articles. The first thing you need to do is you need to highlight all the text, because we have copied it from Word and we want to make sure that we didn't copy any of the code that came from Word. So I'm going to go to my top area here and I'm going to look for the remove format button, and I'm going to remove all the format from this. Now where this differentiates from, or where this differs from articles, is we do not have a read more button in blogs. What you need to do is you in fact need to add an extra text area. So I highlighted the add more text. I'll go up to my article here and I'm going to cut it off where I would like the introduction to be. So I'm going to highlight all the text that I want to remove from this area, and I am going to cut it by pressing Ctrl X, and I've removed that text. Now I have an introduction area, I go to my second text area and I'll paste it in here. Now this is the area I've already removed the formatting in the previous text area, and I am now going to go, just like with articles, and add headings so that I can make certain areas in my article stand out for my reader. So I just highlight the areas, go to format normal, and add heading 2. Always add heading 2. The font sizes of the other headings is either going to make your text too big or too small. If you want this to be on the front page, which you would like it to be, select yes for front page enabled. If you have a specific image that you would like to add to your blog, you can click on search, and this will take you to your own computer where you now can go and have a look at pictures that you can load in your article. So once again, I'm going to use our test picture. I'm going to insert that, and you can, this would be the teaser image that appears on with your introduction text. You can use the same image for appearing on the complete article as you've posted it. So if we go down here and I select the image again, you can see we have two images. Next, we have now an image for the introduction as well as an image for the entire article. This will appear before the read more image, and this will appear once you've pressed the read more button. These images can be different or they can be the same. Next is you want to highlight what tags you would like to add. There are tags that's already available, so you can add some of the tags that's available. If the tag that you're looking for is not there, you can, in the add tag box, you can add a tag here that says business, and you can then add your tag, and the tag business will be added. These tags is what the search engines will use to drive traffic. So if anybody is searching for information around businesses or customer services, your article will be an option for the search engine to display as well. The field external related articles, do not complete that. We do not make use of external articles at all. Then add down, my blog form now wants to add another tag. I by mistake clicked on that. Do you want this to be searchable? And once again, you need to type in the text as you see it, and you type in the text into this text box, add thread, and you will submit the item here. I didn't type thread. and you will submit your item here. Now if I can just show you typically what a blog post will look like. It seems that the internet is especially slow today. So typically this is what a blog post will look like. If we scroll down, this is your read more area. In other words, that first text area that we created, and this is the image that was uploaded, and you can continue to read the article, and you will see within this article we've used the same picture. Now, like with articles, you can see that we've used headlines in this article to highlight certain areas. You can share this article on social media platforms. You can leave a comment on this article, as well as when we scroll to the top, you can rate this article, and the rating system is exactly the same as for articles. 5 stars, 5 being what you're really looking for, and it will change that. It also tells you how many times this article was displayed to others. I didn't add the right security code to my blog post here, so if I go down, AW, that looks like a swing. Let's just try and add this article. I'm not sure if that was a 5 or an S. I think that was incorrect again. It wasn't, so it says thanks for your submission, and your article has been published, and should you wish to add more, you can, or else you can just go back to the blog post here, and it will tell you all the articles that's been posted in this category. And that's it, folks. That's how easy it is to publish a blog post on the justServiceHUB online marketing platform. The more articles, the more blogs you post, the more visible your business and you are on the website, creating more and more business opportunities for you. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.